Hello everyone, today we're going to be showing how to start up this train right here. On. I'm pausing. Okay, we're back. We're going to be starting up 6796 here. These ones are different because we just need to, I'll show you how, and then we're gonna go on a ride for the rest of the thing. So, you don't go over here. You don't go over here. You go in here. I can't get into it. You sometimes, with real trains you go over here. But with this one, no. You go in here. And you press engine. Basically all of them. Let's go on the ride. Always turn down the volume. If we have to release a car, we might have to release the engine here, and then we can just be in the back there of that one. So I am gonna pause really quick, and I think we'll be in that one. I'll be right back, guys. You know what, we're just gonna take this one instead. So this one's probably the same way, just let's back it up before. Why are we not moving? Hold on. Let's start it up here. Oh, shoot. Yeah, we're not taking this one either. I'll be right back. Okay, let's go. Okay. We're taking 5481. and behind it is 4850, 4831. There you go. I don't want to ruin the train. Sorry if you can hear the light star in the background. Yeah, we live next to the hospital, and yeah, sorry if you guys hear the light star in the background, so hopefully you guys are fine with that. And the light star in the background. And we'll do the same thing that 1402 and 1461 did yesterday. Go comment on that video, guys, and say what they're doing, because I don't know. Like, me personally, I actually don't know what they were doing. How did you guys like hearing a new crossing bell instead of the two electronic bells? Do you guys like the gated crossings better than the gateless, or should we go back to the gateless signals? Comment down below. Should we go back to gateless, or should we stay with the gated crossings down north? There's a train going in the background. It's like 7:38. If it was still daylight outside, I would be going down there, and I would show you guys some trains. But we're fine. We're doing a train video right now. So technically I'm showing you a train right now. So, yeah. So do you guys like the up north railroad crossing in Salina? We are going to be back down there June 1st. It's a surprise. You guys will be kind of actually surprised of what we're going to be filming up there. And I will give you a hint. It's on a Monday. June 1st it will be on a Monday. So I will show you guys some pics. I will, at the end of the video, we will show you guys some pictures, and we can show you guys what we're going to. Which thing? Oh, frick. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. It kinda stomped on us. Now we have Union Pacific 5411 and Union Pacific 2739. So let's get going. Hopefully it don't happen again. I'm hoping. And I'm hoping we are not gonna have some troubles. again, and if we do, again, I will show you guys the siren at the end of the video of what we're going to be filming on June 1st. Yes, it is a tornado siren, so I hope you guys are ready. This is going to be actually our first time being over there on a Monday with a tornado siren test. We're hoping it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a few months. We have to go through February and April. We have to get through February, March, April, May, and then June will be the month of Yoda. So I'm hoping. Excuse me. When it hits like 14 minutes and 30 seconds, we will show you guys the siren that we are filming. So I'm hoping you guys are excited to see this. It's gonna be awesome. Comment down below, guys. Are you guys ready for June 1st? Because I am gonna blast my eardrums out, just for you guys. So, because we are gonna be by 2001-130. So, yeah, we will pause when it hits 40 minutes, 14 minutes and 30 seconds, and not 40 because, yeah, we can't make a long video. So, yeah, I'm hoping you guys are ready for storm season too. The storm season's in that month as well. So I'm hoping you guys are ready. And it's gonna be real nice, but humidity is gonna start going back. Humidity is gonna start coming back. Just to tell you guys. So I'm hoping you guys are ready for that too. So but as you can see, I'm an Enderman driving a train. Sorry if you guys heard that. Yeah, I'm an Enderman driving a train, so don't judge me of that. Yeah, don't judge me of that, but, yeah. So I'm hoping you guys are ready to see what train we're gonna be. Oh shoot, we're coming up to the station. Okay, so let's stop. This is what 1402 did. Now, I will show you guys something. How do I get out of here? I'm stuck. Oh shoot. Okay, here's what the siren looks like. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.